Happy Halloween! Today I'm making a Halloween green smoothie. This is an easy to make and healthy drink. It combines spinach, fruits, and fruit juice to make a yummy treat. So, who could that be? Oh, it's my neighbor Frankie. Come on in, Frankie. Help me make a smoothie. Oh, you're trick-or-treating? Okay, here you go. So let's get started. In a high-powered blender, add a half a cup of apple juice, 1 cup of fresh baby spinach frozen, 1 large apple cored and cut into pieces, 1 frozen banana, and 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks. Now just blend together until it's smooth. And here it is, a Halloween green smoothie. This is a fun and nutritious treat you can have anytime. Here, Frankie, you want to taste the smoothie? Here you go. You like it? Oh, wait a minute, you can't take the whole picture. Oh no, you don't. And fruit juice to make a yummy treat. Oh, I messed up. I'm not supposed to say, so let's get started. Get back here. Frankie, come on in, Frankie. Help me make us up. Oh, I messed up. No. So let's get started. He dropped it. Oh, it's his hat. He dropped his hat. I'm green. This is a fun and nutritious treat. Oh. Here, Frankie, you want to taste this smoothie? Yeah. Do you like it? You can't drink it for too long. You gotta, wait. No, you smoothie. There you go. Did you like it? Oh, no, you don't. What are you doing? Oh, no, I said it twice. Oh, no, you don't. Wait, I did that wrong. Do it again. It was me.